Okay, Nate, the box came. Let's open it. I was gonna call you, and I thought, no, let him sleep. He's been sick, and I don't know if you're home. So, I'm gonna open it and film it. Christmas bag, Christmas bag. You do a good job packing. Ooh, 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 ooh. Styrofoam. Ellen's favorite. Airbags. Yay. We'll use those when we do auctions. You didn't tell me what to open first, so I'm opening this one first. The painting. Oh, you booger. I love the fairy tree. Aw, babe, thank you. I got a doodle. Oh, you're gonna make me cry. I love it. I love it, love it. All right, let's see what's in here. A gadget. Ellen can use that gadget. Oh my goodness. Oh, there's the coffee. Aw, Nate, cool. I can't wait to try this one. Especially, I'm going to try it with resin first to see how well it releases too. I don't know where to go next. I don't know where to go next. Aww. Little gingerbread man. Oh, with my birthstone. You little boog. I'll put that on my keychain. There's something else in there. Oh, a little happy turtle. Nate. Oh, good. Some cards. Definitely need those. Oh, you sent me more. Oh, cool. These can go on my tree next year because we're taking all the old bulbs off. And I have Natey ones. Ah, pretty. And I got a sticker too. Oh, they're cool. I'll have to get me some of them. Oh, that's pretty. It resined well, didn't it? Awesome. Aww. I like it says from NC. North Carolina. Yeah, Nate Cerami. Beautiful. So those are the nubs, huh? Yeah. You don't see them from here. You only see them if you're looking for them. Awesome. I love all my stuff, Nate. I really do. Thank you so much. I can't wait to hang this up. Just love it. Thank you so much, Nate. Bye, everybody.